Hello, and welcome to the first episode of How-To Digital Content Guides for Small Businesses, SEO Basics for Small Business Owners, brought to you by Elite Solutions Digital Marketing Agency. This March 2024, we're embarking on a journey to boost your online presence through a series of practical, step-by-step video guides. Each video is crafted with small business owners in mind, focusing on enhancing your digital marketing strategies to thrive in today's online world. Today, we're diving into the world of SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is the art and science of improving your website's visibility and ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, understanding SEO is crucial for your business's online success. First, let's break down what SEO really means. SEO involves optimizing your website and content so that search engines like Google can easily understand and rank your pages higher. The higher you rank, the more visible you are to potential customers. Every successful SEO strategy starts with keyword research. Keywords are the terms and phrases that people use to search for products or services like yours. For example, if you are a florist that's selling flowers, your SEO ranking keywords might be expert flower arrangements or roses for Valentine's Day. Next, we'll cover on-page SEO tactics. This includes optimizing your website's titles, headings, and meta descriptions, as well as ensuring your content is high quality and relevant to your audience. On-page SEO helps search engines understand your content better and rank it accordingly. A tool that helps with on-page SEO in WordPress sites is Yoast SEO. They often give free webinars about how to improve your page's SEO. Link building is another crucial aspect of SEO. It's about getting other reputable websites to link back to yours. These backlinks signal to search engines that your site is a credible source of information, boosting your site's authority and ranking. Lastly, it's important to measure your SEO efforts. A free tool that can help you track your website's performance, understand your audience's behavior, and adjust your strategies for better results is Google Analytics. So make sure to install it on your website and check it regularly. We know that SEO might seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and tools, it's a powerful way to elevate your business online. Stay tuned for more guides in our How-To Digital Content Guides for Small Businesses series, where we'll continue to demystify digital marketing for small business owners. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Here's to boosting your business's online presence, one step at a time.